So a quick update where I am with the pilot side door. I'm working on getting this bottom trim piece in here. It's kind of hard to get these. I recommended using a wrench in the instruction manual, crescent wrench, to try and bend those and get a sharp angle. I didn't have much luck, but it is what it is. I'm gonna leave 3 holes open there and 3 holes open there for the latch plate for the door lock. I got holes coming up here. So it doesn't say to do stainless there, so it probably won't. I think it's not, because I got this powder coated, so there's not much risk of corrosion versus like these gussets on the other side. Those are steel, so you want the stainless there. So I got that. Next I'll put on, there's another piece that goes up here, so I'll put that on. There's also a piece that goes up this, but I'll leave that off until I do the windshield. So I think the windshield goes between that piece and this bar. Got this top on, so I cut out the middle 2 eyelets, and so I'm gonna cut the hinge pin in half so I can feed it from both sides. And I gotta work on, so you wanna hammer this around, and same on the back side, hammer it around the tube. And then, I'm not sure if a rivet goes on this side, but definitely a rivet goes on the other side. I gotta look that up. But that's riveted on front and back. You wanna make sure, I made the mistake on the other side, don't rivet this top rib on until you drill all the holes out for this hinge. Otherwise you're gonna have all the metal shavings stuck behind there. The other one, they're just kind of there. I think eventually over time they'll probably fall out the back. And they recommend leaving a little bit of a gap there. I probably could have done more than that. But once I do the bars for the door frame, I'll space them off a little bit more. Add some interference on the other side. So that's where I'm at. Yeah, a few more rivets to pull down here. I'll pull these ones and I'll attach this.